Okay, y'all, I'm back to make the strawberry icing. This goes on a strawberry cake, but you also can make this on a white cake. You can also put it on a chocolate cake. So it's actually a versatile icing. So what you do, I have a stick of Philadelphia cream cheese, and I have a half stick of butter. So we're going to mix that. Make sure that they're both at room temperature. I'm going to take 1/4 cup of strawberry puree. And I would like to get all that's in there. See, that may be a whole teaspoonful. Okay, then we're going to mix that. Now, at this point, you would put I think it's maybe 1/4 teaspoon of strawberry extract. I thought I had some and I don't. I may have taken it to church. I'm not sure. But anyway, you're going to mix this. Get my spatula. Shift it over. Let me get my spatula. Actually, down here in the water, in my bleach water here that I use. I keep the bleach water in the sink when I'm cooking. Okay, so we're gonna go around here. Make sure everything gets blended. This is also good on some white. Get you some white cupcakes. I don't know about the yellow, or you can put it on the chocolate. Now, when I first did this, it said to use 7 cups of powdered sugar. When I did that, the 7 cups to me it was too sweet. So this is about. Let's see, this is 2 pounds. This is probably, it's less than 1 pound. So we're going to go ahead and use this. We're not going to put it all at one time. We're going to blend it in. And I'll just have to, I think I ended up putting 5 cups. So a little bit over 1 pound. And one thing I found, you want to use a name brand cane sugar. If you buy that from the stores, it's a lot of cornstarch, and to me the icing just don't come out right, and the texture and the taste is different. You know, if it's not on sale, I use off brand. You know, when we're feeding at church, I just amp it up a little bit. But honestly, it's better to get the Dominoes or the Imperial, you know, the branded kind, honestly. You probably want to sift your powdered sugar. I didn't. But actually, when you mix it enough, it will get incorporated into the icing. Now, I can look at this and tell you that I need to add a little bit more powdered sugar. I had used this, and I forget what I cooked last, what I baked last. But anyway, I know that I need a little bit more. It's too loose, that icing is. Remember, I told y'all this cake is a little heavy. So you want to make sure that you don't have that real thin icing on. You may wake up and all your icing is gone. This right here should do it. That should be my 5 cups. And I mean, you could go up to 7, try it. If that's your preference, you like loose icing. But if you're going to make cupcakes with it, you don't want it to be loose like that. It needs to be stiff. Alright, now see the stiffness of it? That's how you want it. And I could look at it and tell it was still looking creamy like cream cheese with color to it. So you know I knew it wasn't right. So start out with a pound. That pound is, well, you know, put in maybe like 2 cups at a time. And then when you use up your pound, then just, you know, try it. Because sometimes it may depend on the temperature of your butter, the type of puree you use. It may be more watery, you know, so it's trial and error. But this is the thickness of it, like cake icing. See? And so that's what we want to frost in this cake. And I will be back. And y'all, this is so, I'm splattering things, but this is so good. But I'll be back.